Hi again. In this list we're going to talk about that how to convert a list of integers to a list of strings in Python programming language. Let's say that we have a list of integers, let's call it my list, and let's populate it with few integer elements. Now let's convert our list of integers to a new list of strings. Let's make, for example, my list 1, and now we want to convert these integers to strings. First we're going to iterate over our mylist list, so we'll say for item in my list, so in every iteration we will get one item from our list, and then we want to convert this integer item to a string item. So again, this code means in every iteration from our my list, pick one element and convert it to string and populate my list 1 with this new string, and do that for all these elements. Okay, and now let's try to print our new list 1, and as you can see we now have a list of strings converted from list of integers. That's all in this lesson. Bye bye.